Hey there, in this brief tutorial, we'll guide you on how to send SuperMails automatically. But before we start, make sure that you've set up your email template in the SuperMail tab. If you haven't done that yet, pause the video here and set up your email. Next, ensure that your board has an email column and that the recipient emails are in it. SuperMail can also send emails from the people column and text column, and even from mirror columns. Proceed to the Automation Center and search for SuperMail. You will see a list of ready-to-go templates in the search bar. Choose one that fits your flow, such as when status changes to something, send a template to whoever. Then customize your recipe. In this case, we'll choose when status changes to customer, send welcome to email, and create automation. And voila! Repeat these steps as many times as necessary to create all the emails you want to send out. This method is ideal if your workflow is straightforward, such as single-step triggers, confirmations, or reminders. The second method involves sending SuperMails via the Monday.com Workflow Center. Start by adding a new workflow, which can be set to public or private, depending on your needs. Note that the Workflow Center is only available to Monday.com's enterprise users. Create a trigger to get started. For example, when an item is created. Then choose the board that houses your email, in this case, newsletter signups. Once the trigger is hit, create the action. Search for SuperMail and click Send SuperMail. Choose your template, in this case, the welcome email, and choose the person or the field that should receive the email. Select email recipients for the CC and BCC sections as needed. After setting up the first email, you can create additional steps as required. In this case, we'll create a delay. In 10 days, we'll send another SuperMail, in this case, the newsletter. Make sure to set your email recipient, otherwise the email won't be delivered. You can also create conditional logic such as if this, then that, or multi-branch conditions depending on your specific needs. Repeat as needed for as many emails as you have. Remember to double-check everything, and finally click. Activate workflow to ensure that everything is triggered as you've set it up. For additional visibility, set up a dashboard to track your email performance, or use the Workflow Center's run history to see when and how emails were triggered. Whether you're building simple automations or advanced email sequences, SuperMail puts your email outreach on autopilot so that you can focus on results, not reminders.